This is nice. What company this is?
It's 26 inches.
What company this is?
Nadula hair.
Oh.
They're pretty good.
Oh. I just think of Queen Naija every time you say that.
What, Nadula?
Yeah. Did she work with them?
Probably back in the day when she was with Kurt. Erickaj and Tay say put it on both sides. So you get no flashback.
Erickaj and Tay said put that joint on a white towel. But I know that they put his class on YouTube.
Oh, I know the motherfucking lie. You know we could actually be friends?
Jozel, you don't like people, so you can't have friends. Plus, Jozel, we live together.
I like Kathy.
Yeah, Kathy's cool.
Put your head up. No, I mean put your head up.
That's a good one, right? This is good. Bald cap.
It's alright, I guess. I don't know what you got going on.
She's doing my bald cap right now. No, she's not. I did this.
Shut your mouth.
Just coloring it.
Put this on your head. Hurry up. Why are you moving so slow? Come on. Let me cut this off.
This is abuse. Wait, what is this?
Y'all, we're going to be trying the hair diagram thing today.
Oh, hold on. Can you?
I already showed them.
I'm going to show them again.
Hurry up. Oh, this is long. You better be feeling yourself. Shut up. Oh, this is cute. I pay my bills. My bills are paid. Period.
Bold Hold Liquid Gold from the hair diagram.
Why is the damn cap all the way to the side down here? Y'all, there is not a lot of hair on the side.
Oh, no way. Don't be roughing me up like that.
Don't talk to me, please. Who?
Because he came up with a song called Big Purr. But everybody's like, we already know Rolling Ray be saying purr, you know?
Who did that, Santana?
No, Quillery. She said big purr. He said big purr. Pooh Shiesty season, you know, if you're going to Miami for Rolling Loud, hit me up.
You're not even going nowhere.
I'm gonna blow dry this and tell y'all how long it takes to dry. It'll probably take like 10 seconds. This is good.
Shut up. Oh my goodness.
This is good. Let me get 2 more.
Turn on face me and just be quiet a little bit. My stomach hurting. Oh! I can't focus. It's my slippers, so calm down. I don't walk on the floor like you peasants. My big ass back, linebacker ass is all in the goddamn camera.
Y'all want to hear a quick story time? I went to get my eyebrows done, right? I've been growing my eyebrows out for 2 months since my birthday because they did me dirty and gave me skinny brows, right? Skinny brows. No. So I grew my eyebrows out. Why did I go get my eyebrows done? She gave me one skinny brow, one thick brow. We'll do a close-up. Y'all see that?
They don't care.
I'm feeling a pain. We'll be right back, okay?
Intermission.
Everyone knows that I mess around.
Yeah.
Surely that don't mean that you can't hold it down.
Hold it down, man. Hold it
You
down.
see, I'm always out of town.
That's what you say, right?
But I don't think that don't mean that we can't figure it out. Right?
Figure it out, you know.
Everyone knows
I'm just
that
hoping that they hear me. I'm just
I
hoping
mess
that they hear me.
around.
I'm just hoping that they feel me.
Surely that don't mean that you can't hold it down.
Yeah.
You see,
Yeah.
I'm always out of town. But I don't think that don't mean that we
Yeah.
can't figure it out.
I think about what we could have been and get mad excited. Still got love in my heart for you, but I had to hide it. You say we not enemies, but you acting like it. Even in dark times, I'm still at my brightest. I feel like you rooting for others to win. You know that internet shit still get under my skin. I think about your sisters, little brothers and twin. I know they like, I hope you ain't fucking with him. Lately I've been on the road a lot. Been hoping you come around, but I know you not. I never thought we would grow apart. I really gotta pick what I'm choosing to say. I probably wasn't shit, so you threw it away. What's love? Cause I didn't know. I was stuck inside the dirt, I ain't get to grow. Out of 9 years, I ain't got shit to show.
Is that a mole on your face?
Where? Over here?
Yeah.
It is right here?
Yeah.
Yes. It's always been there. It's always been there.
Oh my gosh. Let me see.
Yeah. It grows out of my face. How did you not notice this? It's been there for years. You're so annoying. What you thought? I was just drawing it on for fun?
Giselle, no. I didn't know it was that big.
You're annoying as shit.
Giselle, what's your name?
Mommy.
Cause I saw the signs. Wanna move on, then I don't, I'm borderline. But between love and hate, you gotta draw the line. I just hope the love that you getting is more than mine. You made me think ain't no reason to be your friend. Cause you ain't even care about leaving me in the wind. I always thought you believed in me in the end. But until we meet again, I'ma hold it down.
Everyone knows that I mess around. Sorry, that don't mean that you can't hold it
You always act like you hate me every time I'm around. You always thought you could change me. You must feel differently now. We pick up right back where we left off. You can't escape someone you're made for. I feel like you'll miss me when I'm gone.